Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Tunisia? Let's explore. Construction plays a key role in Tunisia's economy, especially in housing and public works. The average annual gross salary is around $5,400 or about $450 per month. After taxes, the yearly salary is about $4,700 or around $390 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In large cities like Tunis and Sfax, salaries are usually higher. In smaller towns, the pay tends to be lower. Experience can increase pay significantly. Beginners may earn around $3,600 per year, while experienced workers can make up to $7,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.